I'm sure you'd like to know what happened. The chain is extremely worn. Hell no. Nobody stopped. The cars kept coming. Pretty sad, right? It's actually pretty sobering. Marko tried at the bike shop to put on a newer chain. Without going into a whole big long and short of it, the chain was newer, the cassette is new, and basically the teeth on the ring. Teeth on the ring. Are so chewed up that that it just simply won't. Basically, what just happened just now was when I put the power through, to take off, the chain slipped completely off the big ring, and over I went. So couldn't unclip in time. I busted the old knee. Can't wait to get back and see how bad that's gonna be. Yay. All right, guys. The new chain drive, all the components are in. It's I'm blocking off the time to get in there to do it. It's an overnight job, and obviously, like I said before, I don't want to rush Marko. Marko doesn't want to rush. We want to get it done, but as you just saw, it is a very dangerous situation. I am focusing right now to meaning, do you see that shoulder? Okay, that shoulder is like 3.5 feet wide. 3.5 feet wide. Had I been on a road like Tilton Road, with no shoulder, and that chain jumped off the ring like that, then it means that I shudder to say it, really. I would have gone over into traffic. My upper body would have been in direct collision with the vehicle's right side wheels. This could have ended very bad. This is a repair that I have to get done. Like I say, I don't spend this money to be exorbitant or extravagant. I spend the money to save my life. Total Control, 871.